Okay, students. So first off, what you want to do is you want to open it in Google Chrome because that is the browser that seems to work best for this software. So you'll go to Google Chrome, and then after you get here, it's going to prompt you. If it's your first time using the website, it's going to take you through a little tutorial about what all of these little tools do on the side and on the top and everything. But what you're gonna want to do is open up your whatever drive your picture is in for this assignment. So for mine's in my computer. I'm going to open that up. It's in my recents. I'll go there. I'm just going to open up a quick picture like this. And then see, it's telling me all of these things. So then you can either say skip all or got it. So I'm just going to say got it so I can explain to you guys. This is undo, redo, got it. There's that. It's telling you how to save it. And then you're back here. So what you're going to want to do now is go ahead and start editing your picture. So you just need to like rotate it. If it's not in the proper view, you can keep changing it like this. Or if you just want to change the color of it, you can change like the over here. See how it's getting a little bit, don't know how to explain that. It's like getting a little bit brighter kind of. And then here, just kind of messing with it. Okay, so that's how you are going to, that's how you guys are going to edit this picture that you're going to do for this assignment. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and email me.